Define bigger bass and clarity with the all-new RW1 Subwoofers. Reference RW1 Subwoofers unleash more bass from every song. They add layers of clarity to enhance bigger bass impact. The line includes a 12-inch and 10-inch 4-ohm DVC subwoofer. Both woofers have a vented aluminum former that holds a 3-inch voice coil while allowing the heat to be exchanged. Less heat, less distortion. A specialized MB Quart dual poly cotton spider with double centering allows both woofers to handle more power with minimum distortions. Heavy-duty aluminum die-cast basket allows back venting, which exchanges heat with cool air, resulting in more power handling and increased reliability. Learn more about Reference woofers at mbquart.com.